Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, today we are going to look into the live trading video which we did today in Bank Nifty, and let us see how the journey was, how we did the analysis, how we were able to identify the trend today, and how was the profits or how were the losses we did today, and all those things will be covered in this particular video. So before saying this, friends, also want to say you that many were asking, can we do the same analysis for Nifty and stocks or commodities as well? Yes, friends, options are not limited only for Bank Nifty. Why am I doing is because I got addicted to Bank Nifty, or you can say that I got used to Bank Nifty. I've been doing it for a long time. I'm very comfortable in doing it, and also Bank Nifty is a favorite of many people, and most of them prefer Bank Nifty. That is the reason I'm doing only in Bank Nifty. But there is no compulsion. If you're comfortable in Nifty, you can do it in Nifty. The main intention is you have to identify the trend. That is the most important part here, nothing else. And then obviously, selling gives us an additional advantage. Friends, before going forward, people, those who have not subscribed still to the channel, this is a channel for all the working people. You'll be getting lots and lots of strategies on equities, commodities, lot of learnings, live trading video, and backtested data. All those things are available. So in case if you're not subscribed still, I recommend you to press the subscribe button and also the bell button. You'll be getting notifications for all my videos. And also, in case if you need any support, any guidance, any mentorship, or any additional services from me, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. Friends, let's go to today's live trading video. So before going to that, I just wanted to give you a small quote which I saw today. One of my friend was sending this to me. It's from Warren Buffett, one of the biggest investors. You can say the second or third person as of now, the richest person. I think third. I think, yeah. Okay, the never depend on a single income. Make investment to create a second source. Okay, so basically for people those who don't know to do trading, you can do investments in the stock market, or otherwise you can say mutual funds or fixed deposit or anything of that sort. You can do investment. For others, if at all you know trading, then it's a big boom because we can make more returns from even mutual funds as well. But the ultimate aim is don't depend on single source of income. If at all you want to achieve financial independence in your life, then you need to find a secondary source of income. And what I mean by financial independence is not that you become super luxury rich or you become rich or something like that. It means that a situation where you're no longer dependent on your salary. That is a situation when you say that you are financially free. You don't have to get up in the morning and go to work, or you don't have to spend more time. You don't have to trade your time for making money. That is a situation when you can say that you have attained financial independence. So friends, it's the right time to start. I recommend you all to give a try, start trading or start investments. Okay, so today was a really unlucky day because morning at around 10:30 when we looked, we can see that Bank Nifty was giving a very clear indication of the market going down. Yes, you can see that almost all the candles which we are checking was giving a very clear indication that the market is going down. Then we had no other option than to sell the call option. So you can either buy the put option or you can sell the call option, and I am always taking the nearest in the money, nothing else. Don't have to worry about this, friends. You can either take the nearest in the money or you can take the nearest out of the money. So you can see that the trade has been executed, it has been completed, so it is done, and immediately we have to place a stop loss. Since the bracket orders or nothing, the OC orders are not available, we have to place a separate order. So many people are saying, sir, OC orders are not available, so should we stop trading and all those things? Friends, nothing like that. Just because OC orders and bracket orders are not there, it doesn't mean that we should stop our trading. Okay, so it doesn't mean that we have to stop our trading. We have to make money because market is giving very good returns, and it does not mean that you have to stop trading. You can do your normal trades as well. As you saw me, as soon as I placed the order, I also place a stop loss order, and since we are not keeping targets, we don't have to worry. And friends, since we are at home, most of you are at home, you will get sufficient time to monitor the screen. In case if at all you're finding it difficult to place the order after the order gets triggered or something like that, don't worry, but don't waste your time by not making money in stock market at this situation. Don't wait for the bracket orders or the OC orders to return. Do as I am showing you now. You can just place a stop loss limit order exactly as I've shown you, and you can enter the trade whenever we need or whenever that time permits. You can trade. So end of the day today when we looked, we got a loss of around 8,000 rupees because our stop loss has been hit. So you can see that we initially bought at 647 and then we bought it at 446, we sold at 446 and then closed at 647. Let me not confuse you. Initially we sold at 446 and then again we bought back at 647, and the market has moved up till 1414. So it's good that we almost came out. And imagine a situation where if at all we were on opposite side, we would have made double the profits. Okay, so you can see that from 647 it has gone to almost 1414. A good time to make money. We missed it, not a problem, but trading is like this. There will be losses, nothing to be worried. The main thing which you have to concentrate here is executing our trade daily. Okay, so let me just show you the order history. The trigger printing has still not got refreshed. There was issues with the networks, yes, because of the lockdown the number of subscribers are more. There was issue with the orders being placed and the refreshing as well. So let me just see. Yeah, the closed orders, yeah, now you can see it's complete. There's no open orders, so the orders have been completed. So this is how we are doing our trading, friends. We are not waiting for the bracket orders. Place your order and then keep your stop loss. And once this is done, enter your Excel sheet, make your Excel sheet. We have to track everything what we are doing. Only then you will be able to analyze what you're doing. So friends, you saw the situation that two back-to-back profits, though it was not big ones, it was normal ones, but the loss has to be limited to 8,000 rupees because we are keeping a stop loss of 200 points only. Okay friends, so this is how we had a journey today. And if at all you have not started still, I recommend you to start trading. It's a very good opportunity to make money in stock market presently because of the volatility, the increase in volatility. The market is moving heavily in one direction, so this is the right time. You don't have to stay away. Only thing is, as you can see, you can reduce the quantity like I have reduced. So I was trading with 100, I came down to 40. The same way, in case if you're trading with big quantity, you can reduce it during this period, but don't stop trading during this period. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. You know my number. I'm repeating it once again. It's 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.